All right, back with some breaking news coming in. It's a huge reprieve for Rahul Gandhi. CEC's statement on the Wayanad bypoll says that Section 151 of RP Act provides that when there is a vacancy, there is a wait of 6 months to conduct the by-elections. The vacancy has occurred on the 23rd. Second provision says that if there is less than 1 year left, they don't have to conduct a bypoll in the case. So this is some relief for Rahul Gandhi in the case, because as of now, the bypolls for Wayanad constituency have not been announced.
Section 151 of the Representations of the People's Act provides that whenever there is a vacancy, we have to do the by-election in 6 months' time. So this says, shall be held within a period of 6 months from the date of the occurrence of the vacancy. So vacancy has occurred and has been reported on 23rd 3/23 to us. So we have 6 months' time to do that election. And the second proviso also says of the section that remainder of the term of a member in relation to a vacancy is less than 1 year, then election will not be held. In this case, this is more than 1 year. So, as I mentioned, we have cleared the vacancies till February. And in this case, the trial court has given 30 days time for a judicial remedy. And therefore, there is no hurry to do it before exhausting that particular remedy which the Honorable Trial Court has afforded. We'll take a call after that.
Let's go across to National Editor Madhav Das Gopalakrishnan joining us on the broadcast. Madhav, there's already, of course, in the case, the trial court giving 30 days time for judicial remedy in this case. Now, the Election Commission also saying, as of now, the by-elections for Wayanad will not be announced.
Well, absolutely. And Election Commission very clearly, to that extent, it is a relief for Rahul Gandhi, because clearly, of course, if there was a bypoll announced, there were a lot of questions as to what would happen as far as the Congress party is concerned, given that it has been the seat of Rahul Gandhi for the past close to 4 years now. Now, of course, the Election Commission, and of course, is also important from the context of what had happened during the time of the disqualification, because the Congress party and other opposition parties had time and again alleged that there was undue haste or alacrity on part of the Lok Sabha Secretariat for having announced him disqualified within the span of 24 hours of that conviction taking place. Of course, sources within the government have indicated that the person or the member of parliament stands disqualified the very moment the conviction and sentencing takes place. And therefore, that delay is not something that was unusual. It has happened many times in the past, that or that speed with which Rahul Gandhi was disqualified. This is what the government has said so far. There was also a lot of speculation both on social media and in the political sphere if the bypoll for Wayanad could be announced and what really would happen in that case, who would be the candidate, for instance, as far as Congress is concerned. All of these were issues that had been raised in the public domain. Election Commission making it very clear that they have the time period of 6 months within which to conduct this particular election as per Section 151 of the Representation of People Act. And also, of course, in this particular case, there is a proviso that if it's less than a year, then in fact they don't need to conduct the election. In this case, it has been reported on the 23rd of this month, and therefore there is a period of more than a year. They will wait for the trial court. They're not in any hurry, since 30 days has been given for the appeal or for a legal remedy or a judicial remedy, as the Chief Election Commissioner Rajiv Kumar referred to it. They will wait for that before taking a further decision.
Okay, so this is some big relief for Rahul Gandhi. All right, Madhav, we'll have to leave it at that. Thank you so much for joining us with those inputs. Slipping into a short break here. We'll be